Yes, so today, before we watch that video again, first I want to finish the work. I want to discuss some questions with you. All of you open up your book on page number 51. In your book, page number 51. We'll watch the video and I'll ask you the questions from the video after this part. I want to finish this part first because yesterday also I wanted to do it then, but we were not left with the time. Okay, so how many questions are there on page number 51? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions are there. Okay, so out of these 7 questions, we are going to discuss today first 4 questions. Okay, so only this last page is left of the chapter on page number 50. Only that is to be done. We will complete this tomorrow. But before this, we will discuss these 4 questions first, which are related to the topics that we have already covered. Okay, yes. So first question, who
And
will read? I want someone to read the question for me.
ma'am, we have to solve these questions in notebook.
Obviously,
May I?
that I will tell you. Now, first let us discuss the questions. Then I will tell you which one you will write on your own and for which I will give you the hints. Okay, I want Astic 6 Green to read the first question for me for the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
To walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed?
Yes, very good. Very nice reading. Okay, and I want the answer from anybody who can answer, raise hands. This is very simple question. Very simple question. Okay, Akshara.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Akshara. Only raise hands. Don't say may I. I will choose.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it can be reversed
Okay. It can be reversed. How?
because we have folded it, we have not sewed it, so it can be reversed because it has just folded, so it can be reversed.
Okay. By unfolding it, you can say. Okay. Folding and unfolding. Okay. So, first of all, understand what is waterlogged area. Waterlogged area means where the water has stopped there and it is not soaking into the ground, into the soil. Okay, so water filled area, that is called waterlogged area, where the water has stood there, it has become stable there. So then when we cross anything, any waterlogged area, we usually pull our pants up, okay, so that our dress should not get wet. So then this change, so they are saying that can this change be reversed? Yes. Okay, so you will write this answer in 3 points. Okay, you will write this answer in 3 points. First point will be yes, it can be reversed. Okay, second point will be it can be reversed by unfolding the dress. First only you will write yes, it can be reversed. Then second point, it can be reversed by unfolding the dress. And in the third point, you will tell the scientific fact that is involved in it. So we have to tell that this change is reversible or irreversible. So in the third point, you will write that folding the dress is a reversible change. This line is very important because in the answer we need to find out the fact, the scientific fact which is involved. So the concept that is involved is the concept of reversible and irreversible change. Okay, so in 3 points you will write the answer. First, yes, it can be reversed. Second, it can be reversed by unfolding the dress. And third point, very important, folding the dress is a reversible change. Reversible, RE, not irreversible. Clear this question? Okay, now second question, who will read? Raise your hands, those who are interested in reading. Okay, same old hands. What about other students? Other students, they don't want to participate. Okay, Anshpreet Kaur. Jasmeet, you will speak the next one. Anshpreet Kaur, read the second question.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Not ma'am, question.
You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can
Your network connection is very bad. It feels like you're reading in a slow motion.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Can I?
Understood, Anshpreet. Thank you for.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, who? Okay, Manvi. Yes, Manvi. Other students, please mute. Don't keep yourself unmute.
You
Background voices are coming. Yes, Manvi.
accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed?
Yes. Okay, who will tell the answer? Hands for the answers. Very simple question. Okay, Pranay Gaba. Yes, Pranay. Pranay meaning is cute.
And this is irreversible.
Pranay meaning is cute.
Yes.
Okay, so now your name is Cute Gaba. Okay, yes, you are saying, is it reversible or not?
It is irreversible.
Okay, fine. So this is, see, you are just giving the answer in one line. So again, you have to write at least 2-3 points here also. So how you will write? The same way, see, the first question I told you how to write. Okay, first the question, the answer of the question. Okay, then how it will be done, and then which is the scientific fact that is involved. So 3 points should be there. Okay, so here also they are saying that you dropped your favorite toy and you broke it, and this is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? So first we have to answer the question. No, it cannot be reversed. First point. No, it cannot be reversed. Second, we cannot join the broken toy. Okay, so we have to tell that why it is not reversed, why it can't be reversed. First we will write no, it cannot be reversed. Then second point will be why, because we cannot join the broken toy. Second point, we cannot join the broken toy. And then which is the fact that is involved. Third point will be, can anyone tell me the third point, which fact is involved and how will you write it? Yes, Riddhi.
It is a irreversible change.
What it? Don't say it. You have to tell the change. What is the change? What has
The
happened?
broken
What has happened in the question? Breaking of toy. Okay, so third point
breaking
you will
of
write. Yes, breaking of a toy is an irreversible change. Very good.
Ma'am, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I hope you understood how you have to write, because I'm telling you again clearly, because not only just one write. एक ही line में नहीं लिख देना, no, it cannot be reversed. Yes, it can be reversed. So this is science. In science, you have to explain the scientific concept which is involved in that question. Okay, and how it is. Science may, it is very important to tell how and why. If you want, because we are studying different processes include why this happened, how this happened. So if you know the why and how of the concept, that means your science concepts are clear. Okay, so again I'm telling, you will write the first point, no, it cannot be reversed. Why? We cannot join a broken toy. Second point, we cannot join a broken toy, and which is the fact that is involved. Breaking of a toy is an irreversible change. Clear? So two answers are clear to you now. Okay, third one is very simple. Again, just we have to tell that can be reversed or no. So yes or no you have to write. Okay, so yes, I will. You just raise hands now. I will ask. The first change is the sawing of a piece of wood. Okay, Gunpreet Singh. Yes, Gunpreet. First one.
Ma'am, no.
Okay, no. What is sawing? What do you mean by sawing? Sawing sona nahi hai. What is
Ma'am,
sawing?
may I?
What is the meaning of sawing? Sawing. If you don't know the meaning, how can you tell the answer yes or no? Okay, anyone? Yes, Astik.
Ma'am,
मैम वुड को काटना.
Yes. Have you ever seen a saw? The wooden saw with which we just, cut the wood, chop the wood like this in this manner. So that is a tool which is known as saw. And the process of in chopping the wood with the help of saw is called sawing. Okay. The sawing of a piece of wood is an irreversible change. So answer is no here. So write down no in the book only. Okay, so this question will remain in the book only. This question will not, you will not write in the notebook. Okay, third question. Okay, second one, the melting of ice candy. Very simple. The melting of ice candy. Okay, Manpreet Six Pink.
May
I said Manpreet Six Pink.
Ma'am, may I?
Arey, I am asking from Manpreet Six Pink. Unmute.
ma'am, it can be.
I can't hear.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, it can be.
Manpreet, you are not able to unmute.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, just wait.
I'm
Yes,
able
Himanish. Okay, Himanish, you tell. The melting of ice can be very simple.
Uh,
Yes or no?
yes, the change. Yeah. It can reversible. It can reversible into water form to solid form and solid form to liquid form.
Yes, very good. So here you just have to write. These are not explanatory questions. These are only one word questions, yes or no. Okay. So melting of ice candy is a reversible change. So you will write yes here. So all of you write yes. Okay. I hope you are having pencils with you. You have to write simultaneously. Okay. Now third is the change which we have not studied yet. Okay. This is the from the last part. The last page of the chapter is still left. So bringing the change by mixing two substances, that is the concept there. So here the change is dissolving sugar in water. So even you can just guess it. Even if you
Ma'am, may I?
don't know, then also doesn't matter because we have not studied this concept yet. But if you can try, okay. Nitish, Nitish,
Ma'am, irreversible.
okay. Anyone else? Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Raise hands those who say that it is irreversible change. Only those will raise hands, those who feel that it is an irreversible change which cannot be reversed. Raise hands. Okay, very good. So many are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baapre, so many. Okay, you all think that it is irreversible change. Okay, now those raise hands, those who think that it is a reversible change. Others can lower their hands. Now those raise hands who think that it is a reversible change which can be reversed, means we can get the salt back from the dissolved water. Okay, fine. So these are the students. Okay, now do one thing. Those who said that it is irreversible, they will just give them a small slap. Those who had raised hands, those who said that it is irreversible, give yourself a small slap because you are all wrong. It is a reversible change. That's why I told you, even if you doesn't know, doesn't matter. because this is the concepts which still we have to study. Okay, I will show you also that tomorrow we will do this. The last page is left. There it is the topic. Okay, so for the time being, just write there, yes, it can be reversed. Okay, how and why, that I will explain tomorrow, because this is the concept that we still have to study. Okay, so it is a reversible change. We can get back the sugar or salt from the water again. Okay, next one, the cooking of food. It is very simple. Okay, who will tell? Okay, you want the Google form? Okay, just wait, let me paste it.
May I?
I'll paste it once more. Just wait.
I?
Oh, just,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
just wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
I have pasted the
Ma'am,
Google
may
form.
I?
Okay, Jasnoor. Yes, Jasnoor is raising hand, a new boy.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Jasnoor. Jasnoor, unmute.
Ma'am, may I?
Jasnoor, raise your hand. You can unmute yourself. Okay, then if he's not able, okay, Mehak, you tell. Yes, Mehak.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Mehak.
मैम मेरा पहले से था
Huh?
मैम नो
What happened? Yes, Mehak, tell. Okay, Jasmeet Singh. Yes, Jasmeet. Jasmeet will tell now.
मैम it's irreversible
Jasmeet will tell.
reversible change.
Cooking of food is
Irre-
irreversible change. Yes, very good. So what you will write? You will write yes or no. So we'll write no here because it cannot be reversed. It is irreversible change. Okay. Fine. Then next is the ripening of a mango. Satvik Batra will tell.
मैम may I मैम irreversible change
Irreversible change. It cannot be reversed. Last is souring of milk. What is souring?
change
Okay, Manpreet.
irreversible
What is
change
souring? What do you mean by souring? S-O-U-R. Souring of milk. Nidhi, mute yourself. Yes, what do you mean by souring? S-O-U-R-I-N-G, souring. Anyone can speak. Anyone know what is souring?
मैम may I
Okay,
Ma'am.
Manvi, yes.
मैम
Yes, Manvi.
मैम जब दूध में मैम खटापन सा आना शुरू हो जाता है
Okay, और दूध जब फट जाता है, you can say souring is खट्टा. You know what is the taste? Sweet and sour. Sweet is मीठा, sour is खट्टा. So souring of milk means जब हम दूध में नींबू डाल देते हैं या वो फट जाता है या कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है. So that is called souring of milk. So souring of milk is which type of change? It is also irreversible. So you will write no here. Fine. So this exercise, third question, you will keep this in book only. Okay, and come to the fourth question, last question now. Last
मैम may
question.
I
Who will read?
May I?
Uh,
मैम
Ma'am,
मैम
may
may
I?
I
okay,
Ma'am,
Riddhi.
may I?
मैम may I
Riddhi,
May I?
Riddhi, only Riddhi. Riddhi will read.
A drawing.
First. Others all,
A drawing.
please mute.
A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change?
Yes.
मैम may I
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Himonish.
Ma'am, may I?
Himonish.
मैम may I
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, may I? It is not reversible.
Others all, please mute.
It is irreversible.
Okay, you are
Change.
saying
We can't,
you can't.
we can't change a drawing sheet, the drawing sheet in a sheet, clear
Okay.
sheet.
Okay. What if I draw it with pencil? Then
Ma'am, yes?
so what if I draw the picture with a pencil? Then which type of change?
Ma'am, reversible change.
Yes.
Ma'am, reversible.
And what if I
Reversible.
okay, what if I draw with pen?
reversible.
So this question has both the answers. So you have to specify. Okay, so just listen to me that first you will write for yes, and then after that you will write for no also, but giving the reasons for both yes or no. Okay, so because here they have not specified, उन्होंने कुछ specify नहीं किया है, they have only mentioned that you draw a picture on it. So whether to draw a picture with a pencil or a pen, they have not specified. So we have to write both the options, yes and no both. Okay, so first you will write of yes. So first you will write yes, it can be reversed. Then second point you will write it can be reversed if drawn with a pencil. Okay, it can be reversed if drawn with a pencil. We can erase it. So drawing with a pencil is a reversible change. Second, again you will write of no. No, it cannot be reversed if it is drawn with pen. So drawing with a pen is an irreversible change. So like this you'll be writing. Now see, okay, I have discussed 4 questions. Out of this, third question will be there in the book only. And second question, only one question you will write on your own. I will provide the hints for question number 1 and 4 today after the class only. So when you'll be over with all the classes, so I will be sharing this assignment with you. In that, I will be giving you the hints of first and fourth question. 3 questions will be there, and second question you will write on your own. Okay, so that means today you have to write 3 questions in your notebook. Clear to you? Okay. So can we see the video now if time is there? Okay, no, we don't. Again, we don't have time. What is there? Okay, so again it is tomorrow. First thing we will watch the video only, then we will do the next one. Okay. So now is there any doubt in these questions? If anybody has any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Question again, I'm telling that we have discussed 4 questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out of this third question, you need not to write in your notebook. It will be in the book only. And 3 questions, 3 question answers have to be written in the notebook. Out of that second question, I will mention in the assignment that when I will share it with you. So I will write question number 2, write yourself. Okay, so question number 2 you have to write on your own. For question number 1 and 4, I will provide the hints. You know what do you mean when I say hints? Hints means I will only give some words or phrases which you have to frame the sentences out of that. So you will write properly framed answers in your notebook, not just the hints. Okay, understand that. Don't just copy paste, hints ko copy paste kar diya, that's it. No, you have to write properly framed sentences in your notebook. Don't just copy paste the hints which I give you. Clear? So this is also important. Now it's clear to you. So we are left with 3 more questions that we will do after this last page that we are left with. So one concept is left, that we can bring changes by mixing the 2 substances also. That's it. Yes, anybody?